competition was a good experience to confirm that I'm on the right track, that I'm providing the best service possible. The customer is being taken care of, and I thank Samsung for offering this opportunity to see their headquarters, to see their team, see how it all works, and I'm very thankful.
I want to thank Samsung for the opportunity to compete on a national scale and be able to bring home an accolade as prestigious as this. This is the ultimate culmination of a journey, living for the singular purpose of service excellence.
I think obviously this is really helpful for the individual technician because this competition requiring the old skill, inspection and troubleshooting, and how to use the tool correct way. So I think this is really good for the old technicians.
Not to give up is the best thing that I've learned from coming here, because this is the third time I've come, and it's been 6 years since the first one, and taking each of those opportunities, second, then third, here I am getting first. So just not giving up on it is definitely the best thing. I do think it's going to help me be a better technician because there's some extra studying that I went into to pretty much refresh myself on it. Even though I took the quiz and got selected to be here as one of the greatest across the country.